Okay, Maricela, there's only two of us. Solamente somos las dos. Never mind. I have to start because I cannot wait. Yo tengo que empezar, no puedo esperar. All right. Last class, do you remember what did we do last class? Maricela, ¿te acuerdas qué hicimos en la clase pasada? What was the class about? ¿De qué se trataba la clase?
Aliments.
Food, yes, food.
Lunch, dinner.
Yes, the meals, the different meals, the food. And mainly countables and uncountables. ¿Te acuerdas? Contables
Yes.
e incontables. Right. And today we are going to learn quantifiers. The words that say the quantity. Las palabras que se usan para cuantificar. Mucho, poco, tanto. Right? All right. Please open your book on page 72. Por favor, abrir tu libro en la página 72. And if you see in the picture, in the first picture, there are different kinds of containers. Son contenedores, o sea, packaging containers, los que contienen los alimentos. So we have bottles, jar, box, tin. We are going to see the difference, right? Vamos a ver la diferencia. Okay, so you see they all have a number, todos tienen un número, so let's match them. Vamos a hacer un match entre las palabras, the words, and the numbers. But before doing the matching, could you, Maricela, could you please read the names of the containers? Hello, Giampiero, good evening.
Hi, teacher.
A box, a can, a carton, a heart, a packet, and a tin.
Yes, we have a bottle, a box, a can, a carton, a jar, a packet, a tin. These are all containers, son contenedores, lo que contiene in this case, the food, lo que contiene cualquier clase de comida, either liquid or solid, ya sea líquido y sea sólido. Then, and let's do the matching first. Yeah. Okay, number one. What do you think is number one? Is it a bottle? Is it a bag, a box, a can, a carton, a jar, a packet, a tin? What is it? Number one.
A packet.
Yes, number one is a packet. Yes, it's a packet. Now you do it. Could you please continue with the other containers? Pueden continuar con los otros contenedores. They are all containers. Son todos contenedores porque contienen algo. Any volunteer? ¿Algún voluntario? They are quite easy, not all of them. Todos son más o menos fáciles, no todos. I will explain you later, but I want to do your work first. Pero quiero que hagan algún trabajo primero. Giampiero, can you do any other matching? ¿Puedes hacer otro matching? You don't have to follow the order. No tienes que seguir el orden. Whatever you know. Lo que tú sepas.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Come on. Giampiero, where are you? ¿Dónde estás, Giampiero?
A can.
Ajá.
Carton.
No. I want to do a matching. I want you to tell me the number and what is it. Quiero que me digas el número y cuál es ese contenedor.
The two is a cartoon.
And number 2 is a cartoon. Yes, it's a cartoon. A cartoon sort of Tetra Pak. Yeah, como un Tetra Pak, un cartoon. Another one.
The three is a bottle.
Yeah, number 3 is a bottle. Yes. Okay, thank you, Gian Piero. Let's see who else. ¿Quién más? Orlando, Claudio, Valerie, Adrián, Félix, Orlando.
The number 5 is a box.
Number 5 is a box. Yes, a box. Number 5 is a box. Yes.
Number 7 is a jar.
A jar. Yes, it is a jar. A jar. Number 7 is a jar. Good. Then
Number 4, a can.
yeah, here we have number 4 and number 6. Lo que quedan son el número 4, number 4 and number 6. And they look very similar. Y los dos parecen similar because they are made from the same material. Están hechos del mismo material. But why is one a can and why is the other one the tin? Because they are made from the same material. Están hechos del mismo material. But in English, they call it a can when it is liquid in there. Cuando hay líquido dentro. So you have a can of Coke, a can of, what else? It comes, a beer, can of beer. Can is for liquids, para bebidas. Okay. And tin is for food, para comida enlatada. So we have tuna fish in a tin. We have fruit in a tin. I don't know what else. Soup, some soups come in a tin. So for food, you call it tin. And if it is a beverage container, si es un contenedor de bebida, it is a can. Okay? So I will play the audio and I want you to repeat the pronunciation. Okay?
9.6. 3. A bottle.
Please repeat. A bottle. Hello.
A bottle.
A bottle.
5. A box.
A box.
A box.
6. A can.
A can.
A can.
2. A carton.
A carton.
A carton.
A carton.
A carton.
Mm-hmm.
7. A jar.
A jar. A jar.
A jar.
1. A packet.
A pocket.
A packet.
4. A tin.
A tin.
A tin. Correct. This is just for you to review. Now we are going to listen to 5 people asking for things in shops. What is a shop? ¿Qué cosa es una shop? What is a shop?
Tiendas.
Yes, it's a place where you go and buy food. Well, in this case, food. So you are going to listen to 5 people asking for things in a shop. Write the things they want to buy. It's mainly food. Es principalmente comida. So you have to write down the things that people want to buy in the shop. Okay? So pay attention, please.
Nine point 7. 1. Hi, I'd like a bottle of oil.
Olive oil?
Yes, please. 2.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a packet of rice.
Ordinary rice? Basmati? Brown rice?
Basmati, please.
3.
Excuse me, I need a tin of tomatoes, but I can't see them anywhere.
They're over there, next to the eggs.
Oh, thanks.
4.
Hi, I want a box of chocolates. A nice one. It's for my girlfriend's birthday.
How much do you want to spend?
Oh, not very much. I mean, nothing very expensive.
5.
A carton of juice, please.
Apple juice, orange juice.
Orange juice.
That's £1.50, please.
All right. So I will play it again, but I just want to check. What do you have to do? Lo voy a poner nuevamente, pero solamente quiero chequear. What do you have to do? ¿Qué cosa tienen que hacer? What do you have to write down? ¿Qué cosa tienen que escribir?
Debe comprar.
Los objetos.
The things that people is buying. Las cosas que están comprando. That they are mainly food. Son algo para comer. But that's what you have to write down. Eso es lo que tienen que apuntar. Okay? I will play the game. Lo voy a poner una vez más.
9.7. 1. Hi, I'd like a bottle of oil.
Olive oil?
Yes, please. 2.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a packet of rice.
Ordinary rice? Basmati? Brown rice?
Basmati, please.
3.
Excuse me, I need a tin of tomatoes, but I can't see them anywhere.
They're over there, next to the eggs.
Oh, thanks.
4.
Hi, I want a box of chocolates. A nice one. It's for my girlfriend's birthday.
How much do you want to spend?
Oh, not very much. I mean, nothing very expensive.
5.
A carton of juice, please.
Apple juice, orange juice.
Orange juice.
That's £1.50, please.
Okay. So, can you number the things? Let's see. Speaker number 1. Speaker number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Come on, any answer?
In the number 1, oil bottle.
Very close, very close. Remember that the adjective goes first. A bottle of
Oil.
oil. Ajá. What kind of oil? ¿Qué clase de aceite?
Olive.
Olive oil. Olive oil. Thank you, Claudio. Olive oil. All right. Then number 2,
A packet of rice.
a packet of rice. Yes. A packet of rice. Number 3,
A tin tomatoes.
yeah. Felix, can you say it?
A tin tomatoes.
A tin of tomatoes. Do you think a tin of tomatoes contain fresh tomatoes or mashed potato tomatoes? What kind of tomatoes are there? Are they? ¿Qué clase de tomates son? ¿Tomates frescos?
Marsh.
Mashed. They are not fresh because they come in a tin. The tin is a container. Number 4.
A box of chocolate.
Yes, a box of chocolate. A box of chocolates. Do you remember who are they for? ¿Para quién son? Who are they for? Who are they called the chocolates for?
Birthday of your friend.
Yeah, girls for her for his girlfriend's birthday. And number 5.
A carton of hills.
Yes, a carton of juice. Juice. Remember, juice, jar, the same beginning. Okay? Juice. Repeat after me, please. Juice.
Juice.
Jar.
Yeah.
Jar. The month of June. Juice. June. Jar. July. They all have the same stuff. Felix, your audio to audio, Felix, please. Now, here in the list, we have, in the box, we have different kind of food. We have biscuits. Do you remember biscuits? I told you about biscuits. What are biscuits? ¿Se acuerdan? What did I say about biscuits? Biscuits is a British way for, es la forma de inglés británico ¿para qué? Biscuits?
Cookie.
Cookies, very good. Biscuits. Cereal, we talk about cereal last class. Coke, we all know what Coke is. Crisps, jam, again, jam, milk, salt. Do you understand salt? What is it? Salt. Salt, what is it? Salt and sugar. What is it?
Sal.
Sal, yes. Salt, sugar, and tuna. What is tuna?
Atún.
Yeah, it is. It's a kind of fish. Es un tipo de pescado, but it is tuna. All right. So, what I want from you is, we already know the packaging. We already know the containers. Ya sabemos los más populares, ¿no? Los contenedores o los empaquetados, los contenedores más comunes for the food. So, they start, for example, with a packet of biscuits. Usually, cookies or biscuits come in a packet. Usualmente, las galletas vienen en un paquete, so a packet of biscuits. What can you say about the rest of them? ¿Qué me pueden decir del resto?
A packet of cereal.
Yep, okay, yes. Wait a minute. A packet of cereal. What else?
A packet of milk.
Again, Felix.
A packet of milk.
A packet of milk. Sure. ¿Seguro?
Sí, las leches enteras vienen en caja.
Las leches enteras. Yeah, you're being, well, a packet of, wait a minute.
A carton.
Sorry? Yeah, usually, but it's not the usual form of for the milk. What is the usual form for the milk, Claudio?
A carton.
Yes, a carton of milk. Usually liquids come in a carton. Then what else?
También puede ser a jar of milk.
A jar of milk, no, because jar no es jarra. And jar es un paquete of glass hecho de vidrio, and usually the shape of it is usually for things. La forma que tiene es en donde viene mermelada o mantequilla de maní.
A jar of jam.
Yes, very good. A jar of jam.
Me sería a can of milk.
Yes, a can of milk. Yes, a can of milk. Yes, because we have can of milk here in Peru. We use the milk like that.
A jar of tuna.
A jar of tuna.
A tin.
A tin. Yes, very good. A tin of tuna. Yes. What else?
A packet of salt.
Yes, a packet of salt. What about Coke? What about Coke?
A can of Coke.
A can of Coke. A can of Coke. Can you name other foods? Pueden nombrar otras comidas, otros alimentos, using the packaging that we have learned, usando el embalaje que hemos usado, que hemos aprendido.
Packet of crisps.
Yes, a packet, yes, a packet of crisps. Great. Well done. Muy bien, chicos. I think you got the idea. Félix? Do you want to say something? ¿Quieres decir algo, Félix?
No, miss.
Okay, all right. Yeah. Look at the pictures here. Miren these two pictures. One on the left, una a la derecha, a la izquierda, sorry, one on the left. And the other one on the right. Yeah. Let's call this one A. Vamos a llamarle a esta A, and this one B. In picture A, there are some products. Can you name them? What are they in picture A? ¿Qué cosas son los que están en el cuadro A?
Things sweets.
Sure. Sure. No, but I'm not asking that. I want you to describe what is it. What are they? ¿Qué cosas son? One by one.
a chocolate, a coke, apple, egg.
Yeah. You have here an apple, an egg, and what is this one?
A soap.
Coke.
Yeah, but what is the packaging? Yes, pero con el embalaje.
Coke.
A can of Coke. A can of Coke. Because you have to use what you have learned. Tienen que usar lo que han aprendido. That's the purpose. Ese es el propósito. And the other one, what is it?
A packet of chocolate.
Yes, a packet of chocolates. And well, these products are, the question here is how much sugar? How much sugar do they contain? ¿Qué cantidad de azúcar do they esos productos contienen? Yeah. How much sugar is it in an egg? How much sugar is it in an apple? How much sugar is it in a can of Coke? How much sugar is it in a packet of chocolate? This is about sugar. And what about picture B? What things are there? Come on, name them. Nómbrenlos.
A bottle of olive.
Yes, a bottle of olive oil. Yes, this one, it is a bottle of olive oil. What else? Come on, guys. We have learned all of this. Ya hemos aprendido todo esto. You should know it.
A packet chips of chips.
Felix, can you repeat?
A packet of chips.
No. Are they chips? Sure. Some chips or crisps?
Perdón, crisps.
Yes, a packet of crisps. And we have a bottle of olive oil, a packet of crisps. What else? This is a bottle of. This is a bottle of water. It's not de agua. Very a special kind of water. It's not Peruvian, obviously. No es not de Peru. I think it's yeah. You can look it up on the internet. You will find it. It's water. It's sour. A very good quality, I think. And what else? What is this one?
A wrap.
What did you?
One piece of bread.
Yes, one piece of bread, one slice of bread, muy bien, because bread is uncountable. Now, the question is, how much sugar is there in these things? This is according to what you think, eh? This is your opinion. This is a sort of guessing, es como adivinar, yeah. How much, sugar and salt are very popular ingredients in all foods. Son ingredientes muy populares, muy comunes en todos los alimentos. But it's not very healthy to eat neither too much sugar or too much salt. Pero no es saludable ni comer mucho azúcar ni comer mucha sal. So, how much sugar do you think there is in this group of food? And how much salt do you think there is in this group of foods? And you have to number them. Tienen que numerarlos with numbers from 0 to 3. So where 0 means this product doesn't have any sugar at all, que no tiene, 0 significa que no tiene nada de azúcar. And 3, the top, it means that has a lot of sugar, que tiene muchísima azúcar o sal. Okay? So let's start. What do you think? ¿Qué piensan? Let's start with A. Empecemos con A. Which one out of these 4 things, which one do you think contains 0 sugar? No sugar.
Egg.
Egg.
Please. raise your hand. Levanten su manito. Claudio?
An egg.
An egg. For you, an egg contains 0 sugar. All right, let's see. And which one contains a lot of sugar? Felix?
A can of cake of oak.
A can of Coke a can of Coke. And what about apple and a bar of chocolate? Bear in mind that it is dark chocolate. Tengan en cuenta que es chocolate negro, oscuro. Which one is, come on, you have nothing to lose, no tienen nada que perder. So just put the number. Solo pongan el número. Walter raised his hand.
No sugar.
Yeah, no. We have already filled in the blank about 0 sugar. Ya hemos llenado el que no tiene azúcar. Well, according to us. We will check later. Vamos a chequear después. Which one contains a little bit, un poquito de azúcar? The bar of dark chocolate or the apple? Walter?
Dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate for you contains a little, so let's put 1 here, and we leave an apple with number 2. So for us, I will include myself in the group. Voy a incluirme yo en el grupo. For us, an egg has no sugar at all. A can of Coke has a lot of sugar, and then you have a little bit sugar in a bar of dark chocolate, and a little bit more sugar in an apple. Now let's move to the salt. Vámonos a la sal. Now here, all these products contain salt. Todos estos contienen sal. Which one doesn't contain salt at all? ¿Quién no contiene sal? 0 salt. Maricielo?
A bottle of water.
Yeah, a bottle of water, 0. Then, which one contains a lot of salt?
Chips.
Crisps. The crisps, yeah. Then, between the bread, the slice of bread and the bottle of oil, which one has more salt? Between the slice of bread and the bottle of olive oil, which one contains less salt? Come on, you have nothing to lose, no tienen nada que perder.
Bread.
The bread, it has more than the olive oil or less. ¿Tiene más o menos que el olive oil?
Less.
Less, all right, Jairo. So this one is 1 and this one is 2. All right? Okay, this is what we think. Eso es lo que nosotros pensamos. Now, remember your numbers, eh? Recuerden sus números. Yeah. We said that the can of Coke contains more sugar. And we were right, that's 3. We said that an egg contains 0 sugar. And we were right. Here comes the answer. We said that an apple contain less sugar than the bar of chocolate. And did we say that? Did we say this number? Dijimos esos números? I think we did, didn't we?
Yes.
Yeah, we got right. Now, let's go to the salt. The bag of crisps contained more salt. Yes, we were right. And we said that the water contained, no, it contains some salt. And what about olive oil? Yeah, 0 salt. And bread contains a little bit more salt. Now, before we answer the question, we learn how to answer the questions. I want you to go to page 106 to read the explanation. Quiero que vayamos a la página 106 para leer la explicación. Yeah. How much sugar, how much salt? Let's learn a little bit about food. Aprendamos un poquito de lo que es la comida. Jairo, could you please read this part of the reading? How much sugar? Jairo? Jairo? Come on.
Yeah, miss.
Yeah. Could you please read? ¿Puedes leer this part? La primera parte. How much sugar?
How much sugar?
Yeah. According
to the American
Heart
Association, a woman
Yes.
should have no more than 24 grams of
Grams
sugar a day, equal
equal. Very good.
6
Teaspoons. Equal 6 teaspoons. Teaspoons.
teaspoons and man no more than 36
30
grams.
grams.
Equal name
Equal teaspoons. Teaspoons. Do you know what a spoon is? ¿Saben lo que es a spoon? What is a spoon?
Cuchara.
Cuchara, yeah? So, but teaspoon, what do you think teaspoon is? ¿Qué cosa creen que es teaspoon? Because it's... Oh. Maricielo? Cuchara de té, la chiquita. La chiquita. A spoon is a normal one. A spoon es el tamaño normal. But teaspoon es cuchara chiquita. La cuchara de té. ¿Ya? And then, could you please read the dots? También lee los dots, Jairo, please.
Yeah, miss. A can of
Coke.
has approximately
Approximately
35 grams of
grams.
grams of sugar.
Mhm.
An apple has approximately
Approximately
23 grams of sugar.
grams of sugar.
A small 40 gram
A
bar
small bar
of
of
the
dark chocolate. A small 40 grams.
approximately
Has approximately
10 grams of sugar.
of sugar.
And eggs
An egg doesn't. Repeat after me, Jairo. Repite después de mí. An egg An egg.
An egg. Do
An egg.
egg does
Doesn't.
have any sugar.
Yes, an egg doesn't have any sugar. Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Jairo. Now, who else is there? Let's see. Valerie, could you please help us with salt? ¿Puedes ayudarnos con la sal?
Yes, teacher.
Ajá.
How much salt? According to UK government studies, an adult should eat no more than 6 grams of salt a day.
Yes. Mhm.
A large packet
Al-
of grapes has approximately
Approximately.
3 grams of salt. A
Yes.
slice of white bread has approximately 0.05 grams of salt.
Yeah.
A bottle of mineral water has approximately
Approximately. The stress syllable is here. Approximately.
Pues, ¿cómo diría ese número?
It's 0.0023 grams. Or 0.0023 grams.
0.0023 grams of salt. A bottle of olive oil doesn't have any salt.
Any salt. Yeah. To start with, this is salt. The spelling is S-A-L-T. It's very similar to Spanish, but the pronunciation is salt. It's not with A. La pronunciación no es salt, es salt. All right? Como si fuera una O. You already know that in English, the words doesn't sound the way they are written. Ustedes saben que en inglés las palabras no suenan como están escritas. It's not the same as in Spanish. So it's salt, right? Today we are focusing on this. Hoy día nos estamos enfocando en eso, así que tenemos que aprender a pronunciar. How much salt? And this is it. An adult should eat no more than 6 grams of salt a day. So this is the explanation for the answers. Esta es la explicación para las respuestas de aquí. Right? So, we have this, we already have this chart. Ya tenemos este cuadrito de aquí. So, we already know which products have more salt or more sugar. Now, these are answers. These words here are answers for questions about the quantity. Estas son respuestas para la cantidad. Hoy día nos enfocamos en the quantifiers, en la how to talk about quantifiers, cómo hablar de las cantidades de las comidas. So, in number 1, it's none. If you see the spoon, in none, is there any salt or sugar? En la palabra none, ¿hay alguna sal o azúcar? Because they look similar, porque parecen similares. Do you see any product? In number 1, ¿ven algún producto en la cuchara?
No.
No, it is no, nothing. There's nothing here. And in the second one, there is a little bit, un poquito, a little. In the third one, there is more than a little. Hay un poquito más que un poquito. So the first one, 0, none. The second one with a little, a little. The third one, quite a lot, which means more than a little. And in the fourth one, en el cuarto, es a lot of whatever it is, salt or of sugar. So if I ask you, how much sugar or salt is there in a can of Coke, what could you answer? I will write down, voy a escribirlo, ¿ya? Porque si no, no vamos a poder. But where? ¿Dónde? So, Oh my God. How much sugar is there in a can of Coke? What would be your answer? Using these words here to answer. Usando estas palabras de acá que indican la cantidad, ¿cómo me contestan la pregunta? How much sugar is there in a can of Coke?
A lot.
Yes, very good. A lot. That's the only answer. Esa es la única respuesta. A lot. Now, let's make another one. Now, Claudio, could you please make a new question? Puedes hacer una nueva pregunta to any of your classmates, a cualquiera de tus compañeros, about any of the products, sobre cualquiera de los productos.
Sí. A Mariciela.
Maricielo. Yeah, go on.
How much sugar is there in an apple?
How much sugar is there in an apple?
A little.
Sure, a little. Remember, here we start with 0. 0 corresponds to 1, to none. How much sugar is there in an apple?
No.
Sure. Look, Maricielo. Let's see. 0 is none. 1 is a little. 2 is quite a lot. And 3 is a lot.
Es
Yeah, all right.
quite a lot.
Okay. Can you make the question again, Claudio, please? Claudio. Well, never mind, yeah. Okay, your turn, Maricielo. Tu turno, Maricielo. Could you please make the question to any of your classmates, cualquiera?
Okay. Henry.
Henry? No, Henry is not here. Henry is not here. He has not enrolled in the course. No se matriculó en el curso.
Sorry. Felix.
Felix.
Okay, Miss.
Yeah, he's there.
Okay. How much salt is there in a piece bread?
Yes.
A little.
How? Yeah. Sure. Sure. Seguro.
Quite a lot.
Quite a lot, nada más. Ya no le pongas el I porque no dice I. Non, a little, quite a lot, and a lot. Okay, Felix?
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Now, thank you, Maricielo. Felix, now, can you choose another partner and make him or her that same, another question? Felix.
Okay, Miss. Lilibet?
Lilibet.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, she's there. Ahí está.
Okay, Lilibet. How much of salt of bottle olive oil.
Yeah, again, please, Félix, again. Do not translate, no lo traduzcas, o sea, lo estás traduciendo de castellano a inglés. No, 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 no. A ver, otra vez, por favor. We have already learned there is, there are, and to make questions with there is, there are. Ya hemos aprendido there is, there are, cómo hacer preguntas con el. Ahora, simplemente estamos agregándole el question word para hacerlo como una pregunta abierta. Can you start again? ¿Puedes hacerlo otra vez, Félix? Félix.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much salt a bottle of olive oil?
How, a ver, otra vez, Félix. Look, you have to remember, tienes que acordarte, a ver. How much, oh my God. El problema es que esto no se ve. How much salt? ¿Qué más, Félix?
A bottle.
How much salt is there? This is important, es importante. ¿Cuánta sal hay? Ahora, no lo vas a traducir exactamente como cuánto de sal hay, no, sino usando la estructura que hemos aprendido. Nosotros aprendimos, a ver. There is salt. Aprendimos, ¿verdad? Para usar el there is. A ver, el there is, there are. Ahora, esta oración, ¿cómo la haces en una pregunta, Félix?
Is there salt?
Ya, ajá, muy bien. Is there salt? Perfecto, ya. That is a closed question. Esa es una pregunta cerrada. ¿Cómo la conviertes en una pregunta abierta? Usando how. How much?
Okay, how much is there salt?
Ahora sí, salt pasa a ser parte del question word. Entonces, how much salt, porque quieres saber la cantidad de sal. How much salt is there? ¿Dónde?
In the bottle.
Yes, in a bottle
Of olive oil.
of olive oil. Muy bien, ahora sí. Lilibet, please, could you please answer the question?
Not salt.
None. Nada más.
None.
None. Nada. Nada. None quiere decir nada. ¿Ok? None es nada. All right. Now, Lilibet, your turn. Ahora, Lilibet, tu turno, por favor.
How much?
Who are you working with? ¿Con quién estás trabajando?
Claudio.
Claudio? Name somebody else. Nombra alguno más, Lilibet.
Jairo.
Yes, miss.
He's there. Ahí está Jairo, Lilibet.
How much salt is there?
Where? How much salt is there in
Bottle of water?
In a bottle of water. Muy bien. How much salt is there in a bottle of water, Jairo?
There are a little.
A little. Muy bien. Nada más. Esa es toda la respuesta, Annie. Puedes poner there is a little, pero también si dices a little es suficiente. ¿Ok? Thank you. And Jairo, can you make, and this is the last one, y ese es el último. Jairo, can you make a question to one of your classmates? Puedes hacerle la pregunta a uno de tus compañeros. Choose one of them. Escoge a uno de ellos. Escoge alguno, Jairo. Any, cualquiera. Jairo.
Giampiero?
Giampiero, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah, he's there. Ahí está. Por favor, Jairo.
How much sugar is there in apple?
Yes, how much sugar is there in an apple? Muy bien. Okay, Giampiero.
Quite a lot.
Quite a lot. Muy bien, quite a lot. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Muy bien, chicos. No puedo seguir in eternum con el mismo ejercicio. Tengo que variar. Okay, yeah, just to finish this one, please repeat after me. Por favor, repitan after me. None. None. Hello?
None.
None. A little.
None.
A little.
A little.
Quite a lot.
Quite a lot.
Quite
A lot.
a lot.
A lot.
A lot.
Yeah, all right. So, I cannot spend so many time there. Now, with the information that we already have, con la información que ya tenemos, because we read about these products, we have to complete the sentences. There isn't any salt in where? Where there isn't any salt. You have your books, ustedes tienen sus libros. There isn't any salt in an olive oil. Yes, in olive oil. Then in a bottle of olive oil. And number 2, there's a little sugar in
Dark chocolate.
yes, in dark chocolate, yes. Then there is quite a lot of salt in, quite a lot, not a lot, quite a lot.
Bread.
Bread.
Yeah, no, quite a lot, no es a lot.
Bread.
In bread, in white bread, yeah. And there is a lot of sugar in
Coke.
Coke. In Coke. Okay, I think you got it. Creo que lo tienen. But before this part, I will show you my PPT about quantifiers. Yep. All right. Well, to give an answer about quantifiers, para dar una respuesta de la cantidad, we have to start with the question. Primero tenemos que empezar con la pregunta. Okay? So, and to know how much or the quantity, para saber la cantidad about anything we want to know, de cualquier cosa que queremos saber, we have to start with how much. So, how much? How much? It's how much or how many, but I will explain you later. Les explicaré cuál es la diferencia entre how much and how many. How much? To ask about uncountable nouns. Usually, how much to talk about uncountable nouns. Do you remember I told you which are the main uncountable nouns for food? ¿Cuáles eran los incontables? ¿Para qué clase de comidas eran incontables? Liquids and small things y cosas pequeñas. So how much sugar do you want? Then we have how much is it, please? When you talk about money, you also use how much. Yeah, how much is this, please? The money. And you also use how much for the time. How much time do you need? So we use how much for uncountables, like liquids and small things, and for money when you don't know the money because you don't know the quantity, no sabes la cantidad, and for the time, how much. Then, how many? When do we use how many? To ask about plural countable nouns. When the product is countable, you ask how many. How many apples do you eat? How many bottles of Coke do you drink? And then these are the questions. Estas son las preguntas. How much or how many? How much for uncountables and how many for countables? And now, the answers. The answers, as I said before, as you see, you can say a lot of, or lots of. These both are informal answers. Son formas informales de contestar. O sea, contestar none, a little, a lot, or quite a lot are informal. And you can use it in affirmative and negatives and questions. For example, she drinks a lot of milk. I eat lots of apples. I don't eat a lot of vegetables. Or do you drink a lot of coffee? So this one, you can use a lot and a lot of, you can use it in affirmative, negative, and in question forms. In negative sentences, for negative sentence, we usually use many or much. For example, do you eat, this is for questions and negatives. Do you eat many eggs? I don't eat many sweets. And much for uncountables. Do you drink much coffee? I don't have much sugar. You can use, you don't usually use many or much for affirmative sentences. No se usa generalmente el many o el much para respuestas afirmativas. You cannot even really find something like this. No? I have many bags, but it's sort of informal, pero es informal. En la forma formal no se usa many en una oración afirmativa. And I drink much coffee, tampoco. Porque much no se usa en una forma afirmativa. La forma correcta sería I drink too much coffee, pero no I drink much coffee. Okay, so for countable nouns, for plural, we ask, how many apples do you eat? This is a summary. Countables, how many apples do you eat? A lot, quite a lot, a few, not many, or none. And for uncountable, for singulars, how much sugar do you eat? The same, a lot, quite a lot, a little, not much, none. So the difference between countable and uncountable is much or many. And when we talk about a small quantity, cuando hablamos de una pequeña cantidad, it's a few, un poquito, and a little. For a few, for countables, a few sería como pocos. Y ¿cuántas manzanas te comes? Pocas, porque las puedes contar. Pero si hablas de azúcar, how much sugar or how much salt do you eat? Es a little, es una poca cantidad, porque tú no la puedes contar. So, for countables, we have many, few, and for uncountables, we have much and a little. All right? Okay? Let's go to the grammar part and let's see how can we solve the questions. Yeah. Remember, much for uncountables and many for countables. Little for uncountables and few for countables. Remember that. How much sugar do you put in your tea? Yeah. Remember, you have to make the question. Primero tienen que aprender a hacer las preguntas. How do you make the first question? Butter. What? Butter is countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. So, how do you make it? ¿Cómo lo hace?
How much
How much
butter do you use for this cake?
Yes. How much butter do you use for this cake? Then, cans. Cans are countable or uncountable? Come on, guys. Cans, the container. Countable. You can count the container. Los contenedores los puedes contar. So, how do you make the question?
How many cans of Coke did she drink?
How many cans of Coke did she drink?
Number 3. How much oil do I need?
Yes, how much oil do I need? Because oil is uncountable. Number 4, chocolates.
How many?
Yeah. Can you read it all? ¿Puedes leerlo todo?
How many chocolates were in that box?
How many chocolates were in that box? Number 5. Rice, countable or uncountable? Uncountable. So,
how much rice do you want?
Yes, how much rice do you want? Very good. Coffee, countable or uncountable? Coffee, liquid, countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. How do you make the question?
How much coffee does he drink?
Giampiero?
How much coffee does he drink?
Yes. How much coffee does he drink? Great. Bottles of water. This is a container. Es un contenedor. Ya, estamos hablando de las botellas. Bottles. Countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable. So,
How many?
how many? Very good, Lilibet. Can you make it all? Lilibet, ¿puedes hacerlo todo?
How many bottles of water did you buy?
How many bottles of water did you buy? Yeah. Then tins. Again, a container. Es un container. Tin.
Countable.
Yeah, countable.
How many tins of tuna do we have?
How many tins of tuna do we have? Orange juice. Liquid.
Uncountable.
Yeah, uncountable. So,
how much orange juice is there in the cat carton?
How much orange juice is there in that carton? Biscuits. Countable or uncountable? How many biscuits did you eat? Biscuits, remember? Cookies, galletas. You can count them. Puedes contarlas. All right, let's move to the second part. Yeah. Circle the correct word or phrase. Remember to read the whole sentences the whole sentence before you give an answer. Recuerden leer toda la oración antes de dar una respuesta, because you have to understand the context, porque tienen que entender el contexto, okay? So, remember, match for uncountables, recuerden. Match for uncountables and many for countables, okay? Yeah, I don't put much salt on my food. Number one.
We don't eat a lot of sweets.
Yes, we don't eat a lot of sweets. A lot of sweets. A lot of. Come on.
How much chocolate do you eat? A few.
Yeah, how much chocolate do you eat? No, how much? A little, a little, because it's, I mean, chocolate, basically, chocolate is uncountable, pero si tú lo pones en una barra, en un paquete, ahí sí lo puedes contar. Acá te está preguntando how much chocolate, o sea, está como incontable. How much chocolate do you eat? A little. Number 3.
My husband doesn't drink much coffee.
Doesn't drink much coffee. Yeah, much coffee. We use much because the sentence is negative, porque la oración está en negativo. My husband doesn't drink much coffee. Come on, guys.
How much fruit did you buy? Get a lot.
Yes, very good. How much fruit did you buy? Quite a lot. Quite a lot. Number 5, it is an affirmative sentence. El número 5 es una oración afirmativa. Do we use much or not?
We eat a lot of fish.
Yes, very good. We eat a lot of fish. We love it. You don't use much in affirmative sentence. Then number 6.
Do your children drink any milk? No, not much.
Yes, not much because milk is uncountable. Do your children drink any milk? No, not much. Come on, guys.
Donna ate her hamburger, but she didn't eat much chips.
Chips. Can you much chips? Many chips. Do you know what chips are, Walter? ¿Sabes lo que son chips?
Papas?
Yeah, fried potatoes, but fried sticks in sticks, pero papas fritas en sticks, o sea, en palitos, sí, pues, so you can count them, esas sí las puedes contar. When they are crisps, cuando son crisps, it's a little bit more difficult, but chips are countable. Donna ate her hamburger, but she didn't eat many chips. Number 8, how many vegetables do you eat?
How many vegetables do you eat? Don't. I don't like them.
Yeah, none. 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 Usually none is a sole answer. Usualmente none es como una respuesta sola. But in this case, if you see there's a stop here, hay un punto aquí. So this is one sentence. Es como si fuera una sola oración. How many vegetables do you eat? None. I don't like them. This is additional information. Esta información es adicional. You can answer the question with only this word. Puedes contestar la pregunta solamente con esta palabra. Cereal, countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Yeah, okay. Can you read it? Can you make it? I have a cup of tea.
And a little cereal for...
Yes, I have a cup of tea and a little cereal for breakfast, because the cereal you can count them, porque el cereal no lo puedes contar, es mucho. Then number 10, it is a question. Meat, countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable, yes, uncountable. So, which word do we use for uncountables? ¿Qué palabra usamos para uncountables? Much or many?
Much.
Much. Then, so do it.
Do you eat much meat?
Yes. Do you eat much meat? When it is a question, try to give the question, the intonation, the question intonation. Cuando hagan una pregunta, traten de hacer la entonación de pregunta. Okay. Do you eat much meat? No, I don't eat. I don't eat. Well, this example is not the best. Este ejemplo no es el mejor, pero bueno, porque no tiene nada que ver esto. No, I don't eat any meat. I don't eat any meat. Do not worry if you don't understand. I mean, well, cuando usas el, you can say, I eat no meat. Ahí está, esto está correcto. I eat no meat. But if you want to use any, pero si quieres usar any, you have to say, I don't eat any meat. Okay? So, just for you to understand, solo para que entiendan por qué es any, porque está I don't aquí. Se puede contestar, I eat no meat. Yo como, no como, they both sentences mean the same. Las dos oraciones significan lo mismo, solo que gramáticamente el any lo tienes que poner con un negativo. ¿Ok? Okay, guys, let's have our break. Tengamos nuestro break, 10 minutes break, and after that we will continue with this. Right? See you in 10 minutes. Nos vemos en 10 minutos. Okay, guys, are we back? Hello? Hello, guys.
Hello, Miss.
Yeah. All right, let's start again. All right, let's do the reading first. Vamos a hacer el reading first. This is all part of your learning. Todo es parte de su learning, the different skills. We are going to learn a little bit more about sugar and salt. You know, sugar and salt, as I said before, they are very common in many dishes, in many foods, in fact. De hecho, en mucha comida, en muchos frutos también. Right. Look, at different times in history, both sugar and salt were called white gold. White gold. Obviously, this is metaphorical. Este es metafóricamente hablando. White gold. ¿Qué significa white gold? What is gold? What is gold? ¿Qué es gold?
Oro blanco.
Oh,
Plata.
oro blanco. Ajá, oro blanco, yes. At different times in different times in history, both los dos, sugar and salt, fueron llamados white gold because they were so expensive and difficult to get. But there are many more interesting facts. What is a fact? There are more interesting facts. Verdad, not exactly verdad, hechos. En realidad son hechos, no son exactamente verdades, son hechos. Cuestiones objetivas, no facts. There are many more interesting facts about sugar and salt. And we are going to see the answer. I mean, these sentences are about either or salt or sugar. Las oraciones son ya sea para la sal o para el azúcar. They are all true, ¿eh? Todas son verdades. O sea, no verdades, pero todas informaciones ciertas that you can find on the internet if you want, que pueden encontrar en el internet si ustedes desean. But we will try to guess. Vamos a tratar de adivinar, because the correct answer is not important. It's just for you to understand. The most important part of thing in this part is for you to understand. Lo más importante aquí es que ustedes entiendan las oraciones. La respuesta en realidad it's not that important. So, could you please, let's start. Walter, could you please read number 1 without reading the answer, sin contestar, sin llenar en el espacio, just a sentence, solo la oración.
Okay. Is acid to make glass, washing powder and paper.
Yes. Is used. What does it mean? ¿Qué significa is used? Para todos. ¿Qué significa is used?
¿Usado?
Se usa.
Es usado, to make glass washing powder. What is washing powder? Washing.
Mirando. No, lavándolo.
Washing powder. Powder. What is washing powder? This is one word. Es solo una sola cosa es esto. Washing powder. When you go and do the washing, cuando van a lavar, what do you use? Sometimes soap, yes, it's true. Pueden usar jabón, but what else do you use? ¿Qué más usan?
Detergente.
Detergente. And what does it look like? ¿Cómo se ve el detergente? Como un polvo, ¿verdad? Yeah, so that's why it is. El detergente es washing powder. Okay, so it's used to make glass, washing powder, and paper. What do you think it is? Either salt or sugar. Only 2 answers. Solo 2 respuestas. Pueden ser sal o azúcar. Which one do you think it is? You can guess, I don't mind. Pueden adivinar, no me importa.
Salt.
Salt, all right, salt, let's see. Yes, it's right. So salt is used to make glass, washing powder, and paper. Great. Now, number 2, Maricielo, could you please read it? ¿Puedes leer?
Yes. Really helps to medicine go down. It's an important ingredient of many modern medicine.
Helps the medicine go down. Really helps the medicine go down. What does it mean? ¿Qué significa? Really helps the medicine go down. What does it mean? Medicine comes in different forms. La medicina viene en diferentes formas. Which forms do you know? ¿Qué formas conocen?
Pills.
Pills, very good. Pills. What else? Pills, injections, and sometimes you have to liquids, in beverages, en bebidas, en jarabes, por ejemplo, ¿no? So, which helps medicine not to taste so hard. ¿Qué cosa ayuda a que la medicina no sepa tan fea?
Sugar.
Sugar really helps the medicine go down because it's too hard. Could you please? It is important ingredient for many modern medicines. Then number 3, Felix, could you please help us with number 3? Let's see. Giampiero, please. Giampiero, are you there? Adrian?
Yes.
Yeah, Giampiero. Number 3, please.
Christopher Columbus introduced.
You don't have to fill in the blank. No tienes que llenarlo. Just read it. Solamente léelo.
Christopher Columbus introduced in the New World.
Again, please, por favor, otra vez.
19.
19? Sure? ¿Giampiero? Ay, Giampiero. Well, a ver, what else is it?
1493.
1493, yes, 1493. Christopher Columbus. Do you know Christopher Columbus? ¿Conocen a Christopher Columbus? Do you know who Christopher Columbus is? Hello, who is Christopher Columbus?
Discover America.
Yes, he discovered, well, the word discovered is very questionable. La palabra descubrió está muy cuestionada, pero vea, it's the same, es el mismo. Cristóbal Colón, Christopher Columbus. Introduce, remember, the answer here is either sugar or salt. La respuesta es sal o azúcar, ¿ya? Christopher Columbus introduced to the New World in 1493 on his second voyage. What does voyage mean? ¿Qué significa voyage?
Viaje.
Viaje, on his second voyage. So, what is it? Salt or sugar?
Salt.
Salt. Let's see. Sugar. So we didn't know sugar. I mean, we talk about Americans. Hablamos de los americanos. We didn't know sugar. So Christopher Columbus took sugar to the new continent. Trajo el azúcar al nuevo continente. And the next one, number 4, Walter. Can you read it, please, Walter?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. 4.
Yeah. If you put into a vase of flowers, the flowers last long.
Yes, longer. If you put either salt or sugar, ya sea sal o azúcar, if you put salt or sugar into a vase of flowers, what is a vase of flowers?
Salt.
Yes, if you put, can you read it all? ¿Puedes leerlo todo?
Yes. If you put salt into bowls of flowers, the flowers last longer.
Yes, If sugar, it is sugar. I thought also, yo también pensé que era sal. If you put sugar into a vase of flour, you know, vase of flour, when you have, when somebody brings you or gives you as a gift flowers, you put them in a vase, ¿cómo se le llama? En un florero. A vase of flowers, un florero. And the flowers last longer. What does last longer mean? ¿Qué significa last longer? Last longer.
¿Más vida o
Yeah.
más tiempo?
Yeah. What does last mean? ¿Qué significa last? Last, yeah. I know that you know last como último, ¿no? Pero last también es durar. The flowers last, las flores duran longer, más tiempo. Then the next one, number 5. Who else is there? Catherine, number 5, please. Catherine. Oh, God. Lilibeth. Orlando.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, Lilibeth. Okay, number 5.
If you want to check if an egg is fresh, put in a cup with water and
Salt or sugar? Salt or sugar?
salt.
Yeah, okay. Yes, you're right. Finish, please. Finish
If
it, please.
the egg floats, it isn't very fresh.
Isn't very fresh. So if you want to check if an egg is fresh, put it, ponlo, put the egg in a cup with water and salt. If the egg floats, si el huevo flota, it is very fresh. Then the next one, number 6. Claudio.
See, in the UK, there's a club for people who call it the little packet of you get when you order tea or coffee in a cafe or restaurant.
Yeah, what is it? Salt or sugar? What do you put in a cafe in your tea or coffee? Sugar. Yeah. So in the United Kingdom, there is a club for people who collect the little packets of sugar you get when you order tea or coffee in a cafe or restaurant. That is easy to understand. Then the next one, Valerie, are you there? Valerie, number 8, number 7.
If your dog or cat has fleas and they are now living in your carpets, put some salt on the carpet and leave in it for 12 hours. This kills all the fleas.
All the fleas. Yeah, what are fleas? ¿Qué cosas son fleas? Those who have pets. ¿Qué cosas son fleas? Pulgas, garrapatas. Usually the cats or dogs have them. So, and carpet, what is a carpet? What is a carpet? Alfombra, yeah, very good. Then number 8. Number 8, who's there? Orlando, are you there, Orlando?
Sí, sí, Miss.
Yeah, Orlando. Number 8, remember, you have to fill with salt or sugar. Tienes que llenarlo con salt or sugar.
Only 6
Percent. Only 6%
of the use in the
USA.
USA is used in food. Another 17 percent is used for the icing.
De-icing.
Rods.
De-icing, sorry, de-icing.
The icing rods in the winter months.
So what do you think it is? Fair, let's stop here. Do you understand de-icing? De-icing roads?
The icing rods.
Yeah. Do you understand the meaning of the word? ¿Entienden lo que significa de-icing? What is ice? ¿Qué cosa es ice?
Hielo.
Ice.
Hielo, nieve.
Hielo, hielo. And, well, D is a prefix. D es un prefijo de negación, ¿no? De contrario. Entonces, de-icing, ¿qué será de-icing? Descongelar, muy bien. Si icing es congelar, congelamiento viene de hielo, de-icing es descongelar. ¿Descongelar qué?
Caminos.
The roads, the roads, los caminos, la pista. So, only 6% of the salt or sugar is used in the USA, is used in food. Another 17% is used for de-icing roads in the winter months. What do you think it is? Salt or sugar? Salt, yeah. Yes, it is. The next one. José Gonzalo. José. Jairo. Come on, guys. Adrián. Félix. Number 9, Félix.
Okay. Okay. Sure and sugar are the only two words in the English language that behind with shoe and are pronounced she.
Yeah, sure and sugar are the only two words in the English language that begin. What does begin mean? ¿Qué significa begin? Begin. Que empiezan, that begin with SU and are pronounced sh. I mean, sure and sugar, they don't have any H, no tienen ninguna H, pero se pronuncia sure or sugar. Okay, that's what it says here. Eso es lo que dice acá. Sure and sugar are the only two words in the English language that begin with SU and are pronounced sh. Then number 10. Number 10. Jairo. Jairo? Maricielo, please help us. I don't know why are you there in the classroom if you're not paying attention. Maricielo, can you do it?
Miss.
Maricielo, number 10, please. Let's finish with this.
Consistency is used to make different kinds of plastic for food packing.
Packaging. For what is packaging? Food packaging.
Paquete de comida.
Again, otra vez, Maricielo.
Paquetes de comida.
Yes, food packaging, empaques. Son empaques en realidad. For food packaging. Scientists use, what do they use? Salt or sugar? ¿Qué usan? Salt or sugar? What do you think it is? Come on. Any. Cualquiera. Maricielo? Scientists?
Sugar.
I don't think so.
Salt.
Oh, so sugar. Scientists use sugar to make different kinds of plastics. Example for fruit packaging. I didn't know. No sabía que usan el azúcar. Well, scientists use sugar to make different kinds of plastic. That's easy. 11. Let's finish with this. 11. Walter, are you there? ¿Estás ahí, Walter?
Miss.
Yeah. Number 11.
11. Removes red wing stain. So probably not from your new white carpet.
New white carpet, yeah. So, salt or sugar removes. What does remove mean? ¿Qué significa removes?
Remover.
Sacar. Sacar, limpiar, removes. Red wine, what is red wine? ¿Qué es red wine? What is wine? What is wine?
Vino.
Vino. Entonces es vino rojo. And stains, what are stains? Stains. Manchas. Manchas. So, which one removes red wine stains from your new carpet?
Sugar.
Well, I don't know. I think it's salt. Creo que es salt. Giampiero?
Salt removes red wine stains. Salt probably not from your new white carpet.
Yes, very good. Salt removes red wine stains, manchas del vino rojo, aunque probablemente no de una alfombra blanca nueva. Yeah. Number 12. Can you do it, Giampiero, to finish this, para terminar?
If you eat too much salt, about 1 gram per kilogram of weight, you can die. This was a method of ritual suicide in ancient China.
Yes, in ancient China. Yeah. If you eat too much salt, about 1 gram per kilogram of weight, you can die. This was a method of ritual suicide. What does it mean? ¿Qué significa? Method of ritual suicide in ancient China. Method of ritual suicide.
Un ritual de suicidio.
Un ritual de suicidio en ancient China. Ancient. En la antigua China. En la antigua China. All right. So, well, new information for us. Before we work in pairs, antes de trabajar en pares, let's do this one. Oh, this we have time enough since I don't understand. Here you have to Yeah. Now, I prefer to do this one. Prefiero que hagan esto. Well, you will have time enough. I will put you in pairs. Los voy a poner en parejas. So, wait a minute. Me espera un momento. Okay, let's see who is here. Vamos a ver quiénes están. José. Catherine Lisbeth. Catherine, are you here? ¿Estás aquí, Catherine? No, Catherine is not here. Davy, not today. Maricielo, yes. Walter?
Yes.
Yeah, Walter, yes. Orlando Joel? Yes.
Yes.
Jairo Jesus?
Yes, Miss.
Christian, not today. Darwin, not today. Pedro Eric, not today. Lilibeth?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, okay. Adrián?
Yes.
Yeah. José Gonzalo? Not today. Giampiero? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Giampiero. Luz María? Not today. Valerie?
Yes, teacher.
Wendy? Not today. Felix and Claudio? Yes, you're here. Yeah, let's see. Okay, let's see. Maricielo, Felix, Orlando, Jairo, Claudio, Lilibeth, Adrián, and Valerie, Giampiero, and Walter. Can you connect with your partner? ¿Pueden conectarse? Can you make it through the WhatsApp? I don't know how. Pueden hacerlo a través de... Anyway, what you have to do is to connect in one Jamboard. Lo que tienen que hacer es conectarse en un Jamboard. ¿Ok? Los dos. A and B. And then, what you have to do is the following. Lo que tienen que hacer es lo siguiente. It's, you have to make this question for each product. Tienen que hacer una pregunta para cada una de estas. You will make a dialogue. and you will have to make questions for each one of these things. Pregunta para cada una de estas. For each of these food, por cada una de esas comidas. Okay, so, and the question is, y la pregunta es, yeah. How much or many, and then here you have to write the food. Aquí tienen que escribir la comida. Ajá. How much or many do you eat? Okay. For example, let's do the first one. Hagamos la primera. So we can say, how fish, countable or uncountable? Uncountable. How much fish do you eat? So A, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 and 5. A asks B 5 questions and B asks A 5 questions. And how much, and you have to answer the question. How much fish do you eat? I eat a lot of fish. I eat a lot of fish. You have to answer with different, you have to give different kind of answer. Tienen que dar diferentes respuestas. A lot, or another answer would be otra respuesta. I don't eat much fish. According to you, according to your experience, de acuerdo a su experiencia, okay? Try to make the answers real, but you have to make the question and first make the questions. Primero hagan las preguntas, and when you have your questions, give them to your partner. Las preguntas se las dan a su compañero y el compañero responde la pregunta, okay? 5. Each one has to make 5 questions. Cada uno tiene que hacer 5 preguntas. Any question?
Debemos usar también los 4 ejemplos que vimos hace un momento. De a little, quite a lot.
Yes, you can use them too. También lo pueden usar. But there are many ways of answering. Hay muchas formas de responder. But what I want is a complete sentence, most of them. All right? I think, well, 15 minutes is enough. 15 minutos es suficiente. Make the questions and give an answer. Try not to use a translator. No usen el traductor, por favor. Do not translate from Spanish to English. No traduzcan de castellano a inglés. Use what we have learned. Usen lo que hemos aprendido. Walter, yes?
Teacher, disculpe, ¿me puede repetir mi pareja?
Yes, of course. Of course. Walter and Giampiero. Giampiero, are you there? ¿Estás ahí?
Yes.
Yeah, all right. Please connect each other, connect and say. All right, please work in a Jamboard. Trabajen en un Jamboard, and remember, after it, you have to show it. Después lo tienen que mostrar. You have to share your screen. Tienen que compartir su pantalla. All right?
Miss, vegetable es uncountable.
Vegetables en general, match vegetables, sí, ahí es uncountable. Sí, sí es uncountable.
Okay, thank you.
Maricielo? Maricielo?
Miss.
Maricielo, sorry. Vegetables are countable. Son countable.
Okay. En el caso de potatoes, también es countable.
Yes, definitely countable. Definitivamente contables. When you ask how many vegetables, you're asking how many, the different vegetables that you eat. Estás preguntando por los diferentes vegetables que comes. When you ask about potatoes, is the quantity, la cantidad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Y tengo la duda con el tema de fish.
No, fish is meat. Fish es como meat, ¿te acuerdas? Meat is uncountable. So,
Okay.
fish is uncountable.
Okay. Gracias.
Yeah. Okay, guys, more than 15 minutes has passed. So, are you ready? It wasn't difficult. Just 5 questions. Sorry, 5 questions, 5 answers. Who is ready? ¿Quién está listo? Remember that you have to upload your work together with the homework. Recuerden que tienen que colgarlo, subirlo junto con la tarea. But I want to see it first, pero quiero verlo primero.
Y nosotras presentaremos.
Okay, for you, let me see. Maricielo and Felix.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Hello, Felix. How are you?
Hello, Marcelo. I am fine.
Comenzamos por la parte de Félix.
Yeah, all right. Who asked? Yeah, Felix.
How much cheese do you eat?
I don't eat much cheese, only in pizza.
Yeah.
Okay. How much pasta do you eat?
Felix, your answer.
Hola, hola.
I can hear you.
Hola.
How much pasta do you eat?
I eat a lot of pasta. I love it.
How much butter do you eat?
I don't eat. I don't eat much better. Only one wheat bread.
Okay. How much olive oil do you eat?
I eat not much olive oil, only in salad.
How many eggs do you eat?
I eat a few eggs, but only in breakfast.
Yeah, wait a minute. Thank you. Wait a minute. Question, how much olive oil do you eat, Felix?
I eat, ¿cuál, miss?
How much olive oil do you eat?
I eat not much olive oil.
Yeah, but this is a negative sentence. You need an auxiliary. Es una oración negativa. Necesitas el auxiliar. I don't.
Sí, verdad, me equivoqué, sí.
Yeah, check that. Corrige eso. Okay, yes, the rest is right. Okay, move on. Sigue, Maricielo.
Okay.
Okay. Maricielo, how much fish do you eat?
I eat a little of fish.
How many potatoes do you eat?
In the week, I eat 2 or 3 potatoes.
How many chocolate do you eat?
I love it chocolate, but I eat a little.
I love it too. How much meat do you eat?
I sometimes eat meat.
How many vegetables do you eat?
I don't like vegetables, but I little eat.
All right, wait a minute. Yeah, first of all, congratulations. You're very creative, but let's check some small mistakes, right? Yeah. How much fish do you eat? Correct, fish is uncountable. I eat a little fish. You don't need off there. Ya no necesitas el off, Maricielo. I eat a little fish. Then, how many potatoes do you eat? Yeah, that's correct. How many chocolate? How many chocolates? Sería en plural. How many chocolates? Because you are thinking about chocolate estás contando, estás pensando en los chocolates como en cantidades, como en barritas o en pedazos o en lo que sea. How many chocolates do you eat? Ahí sería. Si solamente lo dejas en singular, sería how much chocolate do you eat? Pero como lo estás poniendo en plural, es how many chocolates do you eat? ¿Ok? En realidad tendría que ser how many bars, cuántas barras o how many pieces, pero lo puedes dejar así. How many chocolates do you eat? I love it. Pero si dice, remember, what is it? ¿Qué cosa es it, Maricielo?
Chocolate.
No, yeah, So, it is chocolate. So, you are repeating, lo estás repitiendo. Sería, I love chocolate. I love chocolate, but I eat a little. But I love chocolate, but I eat a little. Mira, it's understandable, se entiende, pero si fuera muy rigurosa, no hay coherencia porque arriba lo estás considerando chocolates como countable y abajo lo estás considerando como uncountable. Pero de verdad sí se entiende. O sea, tampoco quiero ser muy estricta con ustedes, están empezando, y yo sé que hay muchos en que pueden ser ambivalentes, pueden ser uno y pueden ser el otro, pero solamente que te des cuenta, ¿ok? Lo más importante era el eat. I love chocolate, but I eat a little. Porque aquí, solamente en la respuesta sí hay coherencia, porque lo estás poniendo en singular. I love chocolate. ¿Ya? Entonces estás hablando como si fuera incontable. Entonces, but I eat a little. Solamente que en la pregunta pusiste how many chocolates do you eat. ¿Ya? Pero tampoco quiero ser demasiado rigurosa. Ok, let's continue. How much meat do you eat? I sometimes eat meat, okay? How many vegetables do you eat? I don't like vegetables, but I can't read it. Can you make it a little bit bigger? ¿Puedes hacerlo un poquito más grande? I don't like vegetables, but sería, but I eat a little. But I eat a little. But I eat a little. A little. But because remember, in English, you always need, most of the time, you need the subject. Pero casi siempre necesitas el sujeto para hacer una oración. Y ahí estás combinando dos oraciones. El conector es but. La primera oración es I don't like vegetables, but, que es como un conector, I eat a little. No sé, necesitas otro sujeto, nuevamente el sujeto ahí. I eat a little. Entonces, está muy bien y está bien. Congratulations, you are quite creative. Está bastante creativo. Remember to put it in the classroom. Recuerda ponerlo en el classroom, por favor. Right? Anybody else? ¿Alguien más? Come on, guys.
Nosotros, teachers.
Okay, Walter. Walter and Giampiero. All right, who's Walter and Giampiero, Giampiero and Walter. So the first go is Walter making the questions. La primera ronda es Walter haciendo las preguntas.
¿Sí empiezo? ¿Sí, no?
Yes, please.
Yeah, listo. How much fish do you eat?
I eat a much.
How much pasta do you eat?
I eat diversity of pasta I like.
How many fast food do you eat?
I eat it a lot.
Yeah.
How much chocolate do you eat?
I love eating chocolate. I eat it a lot.
Yeah.
How much cheese do you eat?
I don't like, but I eat a little.
Now your turn.
How many eggs do you eat?
I eat a few.
How much olive oil do you use?
I usually use it light.
How much butter do you use for the toasted?
Eat a lot.
How many vegetables do you eat?
A lot.
How many potatoes do you take in the supermarket?
Much. I love it.
Thanks.
Okay. Guys, can you make it bigger, please? ¿Pueden hacerlo más grande, por favor?
¿Las preguntas o las respuestas?
Yeah, both, all of them. All of them. Well, yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, the next one. How much olive oil do you use? This, yeah, yes, I can read it now. Right. First of all, congratulations, you did it quite well. Yeah, para empezar, lo hicieron bastante bien, but there are some small mistakes that I want to check, especially that I want you to notice, que quiero que ustedes se den cuenta, okay? Yeah. How much fish do you eat? Yeah. Stop making it bigger. Pay attention, please. Yeah, paren de agrandarlo. Escúchenme, por favor. How much fish do you eat? I eat, when I eat, remember what did we say about much? ¿Se acuerdan qué dijimos de much? Do we use it in affirmative sentence? ¿Lo usábamos en oraciones afirmativas? No, only for negatives and for questions. So, how would you make it then? ¿Cómo lo harías entonces, Giampiero? How much fish do you eat? ¿Qué usábamos para las oraciones afirmativas, te acuerdas? A lot.
I love.
I eat a lot. I eat a lot. A lot of fish. You can answer, I eat a lot or I eat a lot of fish. Pero no much. I eat a lot. Si pones I eat a lot, está bien. Right. Let's move to the next one. How much pasta do you eat? I eat the diversity of pasta. I like, remember, in English you need a subject. En inglés necesitas un sujeto. I like, pero I like ¿qué? Ahí se queda.
I like the pasta.
I like it, ya. ¿Y cuál es un pronombre para el pasta? Pronombre. Pronoun. I eat diversity of pasta. Hasta ahí está bien. I like it. Necesitas un it ahí. ¿Me entiendes, Gianpiero?
Yes.
Ajá, porque si no, claro, en castellano lo decimos así, pero por eso les repito, no lo tienen que traducir, tienen que hacerlo como lo hemos aprendido. So, I like it. Pero ¿podrías corregirlo de una vez, Gianpiero, para que quede corregido? I eat, acá, I eat a lot, I eat diversity of pasta, I like it. The next one. How fast food is uncountable. Walter, fast food is uncountable. Yeah, so how much fast food do you eat? I eat quite a lot. Perfecto. Ahí está bien, Gianpiero. Yeah. How much chocolate do you eat? Está bien. Chocolate. Do you eat? I love chocolate. That you don't need that. No necesitas that, Gianpiero. I love chocolate. I love chocolate. I eat quite a lot. Perfecto. Está bien. Then, how much cheese do you eat? Correcto. I don't like, otra vez. I don't like, ¿qué cosa don't like? ¿Gianpiero?
No me gusta.
Ya, no te gusta, pero no te gusta ¿qué?
The cheese.
Yeah, okay, but you have to put then. I don't like the cheese or I don't like it.
I don't like
I don't like it. I don't like it. Recuerda, siempre necesitas, o sea, en castellano, claro, no lo decimos así, pero en inglés sí, necesitas I don't like it. But I eat a little. Ahí sí está bien, I eat a little, porque much cheese is uncountable. I don't like it, but I eat a little. Perfect, bien. Then let's, the next group. How many eggs do you eat? I eat a few, perfecto. How much olive oil do you use? I usually use a little. A little. Okay? Acá, this is Walter. I use a little. How much butter do you use for the toast? La tostada es un toast. Claro, a ver. Toasted es tostado, pero tostado no de noun, sino de adjetivo. Yeah. For example, I don't know, ¿qué cosa tuestas? You can say, the bread is toasted. Claro, puedes decir, el pan está tostado. The bread is toasted. But if you talk about toast, pero si tú hablas de toast, estás hablando ya de la tostada. ¿Me entiendes, Gianpiero?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So, how many, ¿dónde estás? How many butter do you use for the toast? For the toast, nada más. Porque en todo caso, si sería toasted, sería how much butter do you use for the toasted bread? Entonces, porque toasted es adjetivo para el bread. So, how much butter do you use for the toast? Quite a lot. Perfecto. How many vegetables do you eat? How many vegetables do you eat? A lot también. Perfecto. How many potatoes do you take or do you buy? No? Yeah, do you take in the supermarket? Much. Remember, much is not used for affirmative sentences. Much no se usa para oraciones afirmativas. ¿Cómo lo cambiarías, Walter?
A lot.
A lot. I love it. Muy bien, perfecto. Okay, great. Well done, guys. And do not be ashamed about the mistakes. No se preocupen por los errores. This is what we learn from. De ahí aprendemos. And not only you, y no solamente ustedes, but all the class, pero toda la clase también. Okay, thank you very much for your work. Remember to put it in the classroom. Anybody else? Who else is ready? ¿Quién más está listo? Hello? Nobody else? Nadie más? Claudio, yeah. Lilibeth, all right? Go on. Go on, Lilibeth. Lilibeth and Claudio. Jairo after them. Después vienes Jairo en Orlando, right? Okay.
Yeah, Claudio, how much fast food do you eat?
I don't eat any fast
How much vegetables do you eat?
Eat.
I eat a lot of vegetables. It's it's good for my health.
Yes.
How much meat do you eat?
Eat. Yeah.
I don't eat a lot of meat.
Yes.
How
Meat.
How much fish do you eat?
I don't eat much fish.
I don't
I
eat
don't like. I don't like.
it.
How much pasta do you eat?
I really like pasta. I eat it a lot.
I eat it a lot. Very good.
How many potatoes do you eat?
I eat a lot of potatoes. I eat it every day.
How much chocolate do you eat?
I don't like eating chocolate.
How many eggs do you eat?
I eat a few eggs.
How much butter do you eat?
Not much. I prefer strawberry jam.
How much cheese do you eat?
A lot. I always eat it.
It. Very good, Lilibet. Well done. Congratulations to both of you. Remember just the pronunciation, it, right? It. They both sound the same. It, I-T, and E-A-T sound the same. Los dos suenan lo mismo. It, el pronombre como it, el verbo de comer, suena igual. It. Right? Thank you very much. Remember to put it in the classroom. Recuerden ponerlo en el classroom. Now, Jairo, it's your turn. Jairo and Orlando. Remember to put your names, eh? Recuerden poner sus nombres.
Sí,
I suppose, yeah. O is Orlando. Orlando.
How many eggs do you eat?
Jairo.
I eat a little eggs.
How much chocolate do you eat?
Chocolate.
I
eat quite a lot chocolate.
how much vegetables do you eat?
I eat a little vegetable.
How much cheese do you eat?
I love I love it. I eat a lot.
How much fast food do you eat?
I don't eat fast food. How much meat do you eat?
I eat a little meat.
How many potato do you eat?
I eat a few potatoes.
How much pasta do you eat?
I eat quite a lot of pasta.
How much chocolate do you eat?
In a week, I eat 3 or 4.
How much cheese do you eat?
I eat a little cheese.
A little cheese. All right. Please roll back. Regresen a la primera hoja, please. Roll back. Yeah. All right, let's see. Let's start. To start, well done. Muy bien. Most of them are correct. La mayoría está correcta. Just a small little things. How many eggs do you eat a day? Eggs. Countable or uncountable? Eggs. Uncountable? No, you can't count the eggs. ¿Puedes contar los huevos? Jairo?
Uncountable. Countable.
Countable, countable. ¿Qué significa countable? ¿Qué significa countable, chicos? Para todos. What does it contables, que los puedes contar? You can count eggs, you can count apples, bananas, potatoes, tomatoes, carrots, whatever, big things you can count. Las cosas grandes las pueden contar. Si hay un montón, de repente ya no los pueden no, ya no lo quieren contar porque hay muchos, pero de contar sí se pueden. ¿Ya? Lo que no se puede contar es el líquido, el agua, el aceite, lo que es líquido. No se puede contar el azúcar, la harina, la sal, el arroz. Eso no se puede contar. Entonces, how many eggs do you eat? ¿Y cuál era la respuesta? Little or few para contables. Hello. Come on. La pregunta es para todos, no solamente para Jairo. Todos estamos aquí, todos estamos en el bote, todos. Si eggs es countables y si él quiere decir pocos, entonces es little or few.
Few.
Few, ajá. I eat a few eggs. I eat a few eggs. Yeah. Now, how much chocolate do you eat? Great. I eat quite a lot. Quite a lot is quite, I eat quite a lot. I eat quite a lot. Si le vas a poner chocolate, is I eat quite a lot of chocolate. Of chocolate. Necesitas un of ahí. Quite a lot of chocolate. How much vegetables do you eat? I eat a little vegetables. Yes, a little. Solamente a little. How much cheese do you eat? I love it. I eat a lot. Perfecto. How much fast food do you eat? Perfecto. I don't eat fast food. Perfect. ¿Está bien? Natural, respuesta natural. Go. How much meat do you eat? I eat a little meat. También. Perfecto. Much. How many potatoes do you eat? I eat a few potatoes. Excellent. How much pasta do you eat? I eat quite a lot of pasta. How much chocolate do you eat? In the week, I eat 3 or 4. Yes, because it's 3. How much chocolate do you eat? Mira, aquí. How much sería, si tú vas a... La respuesta es, in the week, I eat 3 or 4. It means you can count them. Significa que los puedes contar. Pero cuando preguntas, entonces la pregunta sería, how many chocolates? Or how many bars of chocolate? Or how many boxes of chocolates? Pero algo que puedas contar, porque la respuesta está como contable. Do you understand me? ¿Me entienden, chicos?
Sí, miss.
Ya, entonces, ¿cómo lo cambias?
Con money.
Ya, ajá. How many chocolates? Ajá. How many chocolates? ¿Cuántos chocolates? ¿Cuántas barras de chocolate? How many? Ajá. How many chocolates? En plural. En plural. How many chocolates? Ajá. ¿Cuántos chocolates do you eat? In the week, I eat 3 or 4. obviously, for the context, we're talking about bars. Por el contexto estamos hablando de barras, ¿verdad? De barras de chocolate. Ya no se mencionan las barras, pero se entiende que es barra. O sea, en la comunicación siempre hay información que está como que sobreentendida, ¿no? El estándar de la venta de los chocolates es en barras, entonces ya se supone que son barras. Pero esas barras sí son contables. How much cheese do you eat? I eat a little cheese. Great. Está bien. Now it's ready. Ahora sí está bien. Perfecto. Okay. Please remember that you must, it's mandatory to do the homework. Es obligatorio hacer la tarea que está colgada, que ya he puesto en Classroom. You have to, and together with the homework y junto a la tarea, cuelgan este trabajo. ¿Ok? Understood? ¿Entendido?
Yes, miss.
Yeah. Okay. So that's it for today. Eso es todo por hoy día. See you on Tuesday.